Boby. We live in Surfside, part of Miami Beach.
I found Chapter through doing research on house.com. They caught my eye as someone who had experience here in the Miami area. And what sealed the deal was when we had our first kind of meeting with Ben and the team. Everyone who we worked with here was really, really nice and conscientious of our time and polite. So for me, I think it was just a really easy, seamless process. There was a lot of great communication.
Yeah, it was pretty easy working with everyone. We didn't have to be in Florida to manage everything on site, so we lived in Boston, and the guys here did an amazing job without any supervision, so we're really happy with that.
We always knew they would have our backs.
So I would absolutely recommend Chapter. It was so easy working with everyone, and the results are amazing, so absolutely. I would recommend them with no hesitation.